I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the review of the Realme X7 Max after doing factory reset. Yes friends, just today I did the complete factory reset of the Realme X7 Max, and after the resetting the complete phone, I just want to confirm you that there is nothing improvement has been happened. Yes, there is no change at all. I'll try to talk about the few things, for example touch sampling rate and 120 fps gaming test, and in terms of the performance wise annual benchmark scores, all those details I'll try to talk in this entire video. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know more results. So the reason why I did the factory reset in the first place is because of this update and because of this software issues which I'm facing from the beginning, day one as well in the Realme X7 Max. So there are a couple of things which are really worried. So first thing is the touch sampling rate. The Realme, they did climb the Realme X7 Max has got the touch sampling rate up to close to I think 360 Hz touch sampling rate. But right now in my unit I'm getting only 240 Hz. I'm not sure why the reason is to be precise. As you can see right now I'm getting only 360 Hz, but you need to do the 360 Hz minus refresh rate, which is a 120 Hz refresh rate. So overall you'll be getting 240 Hz. So 360 minus 120, so 240 Hz touch sampling rate I'm getting. So this is my 8GB RAM variant, which I'm trying to use 8GB 128GB Realme X7 Max unit only, which I bought from the Flipkart, but still the same result. So make sure to comment below how much touch sampling rate your phone is getting and what variant. Please try to specify, because some people they do say that 12GB variants they are getting the touch sampling rate. That is the reason I'm asking. And second thing is the 120 fps gaming. So this is another major thing which it really worries me, because 120 fps gaming I did expect in this phone, because the phone is really good in terms of the hardware, dimensity 1200 and 120 Hz refresh rate with the super AMOLED display. So what else we want friends for the games? But the games are not taking utilization. Yes, so right now in the game space you cannot see the fps count more than 60. It's completely locked to 60 even after doing complete reset. Yes, complete reset I just did today morning, only complete reset, as you can see. So after doing the reset as well, still the games are not coming more than 60 fps. There is no point at all doing the factory reset. And the third thing which you might be expecting in terms of the annual benchmark score, that it might get increased if you try to do the reset and everything, but it's not. It's still the same GPU score, same CPU score. Nothing much got changes in terms of this annual benchmark score. But there are two things which I need to note down. One is the battery life, and next is the temperatures. These two things which I need to test in my testing. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to do the review using this phone as a daily driver. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'll try to use this phone, and then I'll try to come up with another update. So in the same price range as the Mi11X device, slightly more price, but still you are getting about 360 Hz touch sampling. As you can see, let me try to focus properly. You are getting 480, close to 480 number you are getting on the top. As you can see, 480 minus 120 Hz, so 360 Hz touch sampling rate I am getting in this phone. No issues at all. As you can see, not only the touch sampling rate, even the gaming as well. 120 Hz gaming is actually possible in the Mi11X device. So maybe because of the Realme UI software interface is not that optimized, I think, for the gaming, where you cannot see the real-time FPS as 120. So same game, this game supports 120 fps in the Mi11X device. As you can see friends, 120 fps you're getting in the Mi11X device, but same game cannot get more than 60 fps, not even 90 fps, nothing. Even after doing the factory reset, you will be experiencing this kind of things. I'm not saying this is happening in every unit. I'm not sure to be specific, but few of the users they did mention this kind of problems. First is less touch sampling rate. Second, no higher FPS gameplay they are able to play more than 60. They are not getting. Even they download the 120 FPS games, still they are not getting. So these two things are the major things which few of the users are experiencing. And third can be the annual benchmark score. I'm not much into the annual benchmark score, because some units they do get 7 lakhs and some people they are getting more. But in my testing with my Realme X7 Max, I'm getting highest of 6,91,000. that is the highest. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a complete review after doing the factory reset of the Realme X7 Max. Overall there's nothing got improved at all. So maybe the app closing issues must have got solved, but that we can do before as well by clearing the Google app data. But apart from that, I did not see much kind of major changes. I'll try to keep track of the battery draining and temperatures issues, how much it is. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.